a multidisciplinary artist with a primary focus on digital. So my work explores themes of consumerism, memory, belonging, and displacement. Divergent time is a concept that what is left behind, what is seen, what isn't seen, and who we are afterwards. I wanted this to feel like a cathedral. I wanted this to feel like this massive, enveloping space that feels grand. I've seen my work everywhere. Projection mapped in Paris, Times Square, like the halls of Sotheby's and Christie's. There's just something quite remarkable. The shift from being a viewer to being a participant is something that completely, fundamentally changes everything. You're no longer just viewing the work, you've become part of it.